Want more qualified clients? Here's how to get them. If your business needs more financially qualified leads, Go High Levels survey forms are one of the most powerful tools available. This is what we call the pre-sales, and it's often the very first strategy we coach businesses to implement when helping them quickly turn their sphere of influence into active clients. A well-crafted survey form asks the exact questions your sales team needs to determine if someone is ready and able to buy, and it works fast. Let's say you're a real estate agent referring a buyer to a loan officer. You can build a custom survey form with the specific fields you'd like to know about your prospective buyer. That way, when a referral is made, you can track and better understand how financially qualified the lead is and what follow-up makes sense. A business that knows how to pre-qualify leads can make stronger, more personalized offers, offers aligned with what the client wants and can afford. Once completed, the answers from the survey are stored directly in your Go High Level account, letting you organize and segment leads based on financial readiness. Then, with just a few clicks, those qualified leads are invited into permission-based follow-up using automated texts and emails. The results? Higher lead conversion, more sales of your best products or services, consistent, scalable revenue growth. How do Go High Level survey forms work? Survey forms are flexible and can be completed by a team member during a conversation with the lead, a referral partner, like a loan officer, the prospect themselves. Here's an example of a live survey landing page. Survey forms allow multiple steps or screens, which means a smoother user experience and better data collection. Regular forms, just a single screen with limited options. A survey form is built by creating custom fields that act like folders inside the contact record in your account. Go to Settings, Custom Fields, then create the fields you want to track and add them to the form. Once someone submits the form, they're automatically added to a pipeline stage. You get an instant email or text alert with their responses. A financially qualified tag is applied to their contact record. Now your contact database is clean, organized, and focused on your most promising leads. We call this system 33 Sold, your core list of 33 financially qualified leads from your existing sphere of influence. Once identified, invite them to opt into follow-up. Stay in touch with automated offers, texts, and emails. Turn warm prospects into paying clients faster. Ready to get started? Talk with one of our marketing success managers to get started. Visit humanbrainbox.com and click Get Free Software Account to start collecting qualified leads with ease. Ready to see a Go High Level survey form in action? At the top of the pricing page, click Quickly Get Clients Survey to try it out and experience how easy it is to qualify leads in just a few clicks.